In today's video, we'll learn body tapping. It's an effective method to boost your immunity and release the stored emotions.
Let me just give a small intro of the body tapping. Some of us might be doing the body tapping for the first time. Body tapping is a method to activate our toxin removal process internally, and it also helps to release the emotions. Okay? तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कोई इमोशन अगर आपको आता है तो किसी एरिया में स्टोर हो जाता है. ऐसे कहते हैं कि हर इमोशन का एक अलग इम्पैक्ट होता है ऑन द फिजिकल बॉडी. सो टू गेट रिड ऑफ दैट impression of the emotion on the physical body, body tapping really works. Plus it activates the lymphatic drainage. ऐसे बोलते हैं कि हमारा शरीर lymph fluid में float कर रहा है, and lymph fluid is supposed to take all the toxins from the body and help us flush it out. So both of the things get activated. So physically and mentally, both ways, body tapping really helps. So what we need to do is start with our body pump. This is the main region where our lymphatic system operates from. So we'll start with the stomach, but you can also do this pump. If you do not have knee issue, you can do this. If you have knee issues, you can just simply start with the body tap. But if you want to, you can also sit. So I'll show you the sitting variation today, but you can continue with the standing one. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Start with the body tap. You are hitting your body, you're hitting your skin. You should feel it right under the skin. Skin के नीचे वाले हिस्से में आपको उसका impact feel होना चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push your right hand forward. Palm facing the ceiling. Start with the shoulder. Come on, hit it. Cup your hand. And while we are at the eye of the elbow, the region where your elbow, the inner side, create an air pressure with the tap. Very good for the heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go forward and clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your palm upside down. Tap the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the wrist, you have to hold the wrist and rub like this. Come on, rub it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And go back. Come on, keep tapping. All the way back to the shoulder. Thumb pointing upward, go back again towards the thumb. Okay, let me show you sideway also. And the lower region. And the armpit. Armpit again a bigger lymph node. 20 times. Make a cup. ऐसे cup बनाना है and create some air pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The rib cage and the stomach again. Come on, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, left palm facing the ceiling. Start from the shoulder. Come on, tap. Eye of the elbow. Make a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go forward. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your wrist. Rub your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, go back again. Tap, 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 tap. All the way to the shoulder. Thumb pointing to the ceiling. Go back towards your thumb again. Downside. Keep tapping. You should not miss a single region. Armpit. A bigger hit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rib cage. Stomach again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Relax. Start tapping your hips. Hips. जोर से मारना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. Lot of fat deposit. Lot of emotional storage. Come on, keep hitting. Go down your hamstrings. Come on, hit it. Calf region. कोई भी एरिया बचना नहीं चाहिए. All the way down, front of your feet. And go up, shin region. And front of the thigh. Outside of the thighs. Outer region, come on. Go down all the way. Inside of the thigh. Inside. Inner thigh. Again, you can hit your hips. All the way down. Hamstrings. Calf region. नीचे तक जाएंगे पूरा. Front of the thigh. Quads. Outside of the thigh. All the way down. Inside of the thigh. And the stomach again. इतना भी काफी टायरिंग हो जाता है अगर आप फटाफट करो तो. एंड सिट डाउन. आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. What we do is start with tapping the neck region. Tap, 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 tap. With your tip of the fingers, tap the neck. थोड़ा हल्के हल्के टैप करना है, यहां बहुत जोर से मत मारना. And start with the cheekbone. Tap, tap, tap. See, you will feel कुछ तो अच्छा लगेगा आपको. This is all those unspoken words. गुस्सा आता है, हम दबा लेते हैं, तो ये सब स्टोर होता है. Tapping helps it release without becoming a volcano. होता है ना, नहीं तो दबाते दबाते फिर सडनली एक दिन वोल्केनो इरप्ट होता है. अंडर द आई रीजन, टेम्पल रीजन, फोरहेड. टैप 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 टैप. नोज. एंड कानों के लाइन में ऊपर यहां पे टैप करो. दिस इज पिट्यूटरी पीनियल ग्लैंड. अगेन, दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन डू ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. वैसे देखा जाए तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है रोज़ रोज़ करने के लिए, बट आपको पसंद है, मज़ा आ रहा है तो आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो, नहीं तो वंस इन अ वाइल तो मैं करवा ही दूंगा, isn't it? So if you like it, you can continue on your own every single day, but once in a while we'll do it together. And then tap the backside. Entire head region, randomly tap anywhere. Keep tapping, keep tapping. And relax.
Thank you so much for doing yoga with us. See you in the next one.